Ooh, shawarma. Shawarma. Hey y'all, welcome back to another exciting episode. You're moving around on me. We're doing a taste testing. Today we're at a Pita Pita Mediterranean Grill. Let's see, I got the beef shawarma. Normally I can pronounce this, but not today. Shawarma bowl with hummus and rice and Arabic salad. They're not cheap, but everything's made fresh, so I don't really ding them for that. I'm trying to eat healthier. In fact, this is the biggest thing I've had on my plate in a bit. I started on Mounjaro over a week ago, or no, not quite 5-6 days ago, and I guess it's 6 days. 1, 2, anyway, I've lost 5 pounds this week. I haven't checked today, and after I eat some of this, who knows, but that's why I haven't been reviewing as much. If you see me stuffing my face after this, it's episodes I've already got in the can and haven't posted yet. I'm a little behind on that. So there'll be a few more pudgy guy orders. But I wanted to eat healthy. It's a chain, but just look at this. That's beef. That's good. So I've avoided carbs all week, and actually I've been changed my eating habits before I took the Mounjaro, because it would be stupid to start. Anyway, I started ahead of time changing my diet, and more salads, bean salads, hummus, things like that. I've avoided carbs, but they gave me a fresh pita. Oh, and it smells good. Now this, I've avoided sugars. They gave me a free baklava. I may have to take this back home and give it away. I love baklava. Love it. But they gave me some sauces. I'll probably avoid the sauces because they're not as healthy for you. I think most of my weight loss has been through going to the bathroom, because I do that a lot. But my body's eliminating salts, which is why you have to stay hydrated when you're on these drugs. I drink lots and lots and lots of water. And then I wash it down with more water. I'm not doing it to lose weight. That's a side benefit. I'm doing all this because my blood sugars are shot up since I've been back in Chicago. My A1C's up. It's nice seasoning on. Okay. Good stuff, huh? Want a bite? No soup for you. That's good. I'm not even going to be able to eat half. Probably gonna eat my pita because it's fresh. Fresh pita. And I'm gonna ignore the baklava. Anyway, so Pita Pita, thumbs up. The beef is good. Everything's nicely seasoned. I like it. So, after this, I'm on my way to Aldi. Pick up some of their bean salad. Some other healthy choices. They also have, no, not them. I'm almost out of kimchi. I love kimchi. And then between meals, just 1 or 2 spoons of guacamole, some kimchi. It's been getting me through, but I need to find some. There's a Super H Mart across town. I may go there and get the legit kimchi instead of the oddball stuff they have at the grocery nearby. Anyway, that's where we're at. Healthy eating, losing weight, and that's it for now. Thanks for watching, following, sticking by me, your helpful comments, and liking, subscribing, all that. Most of all, thank you for feeding my fragile ego, and we'll see you next time. Bye!